Seminole approach from Seminole 302 Victor Mike. This is an emergency call. We have an engine out. We are with Seminole over Carroll County and would like community help.
And that was 2 Victor Mike looking for advisories?
Correct, Seminole 302 Victor Mike.
302 Victor Mike, and what's your destination?
We're a couple miles, we're 10 miles east to Carroll County. We'd like to make a landing in Carroll County. We lost an engine.
.302 Victor Mike, squawk 0443, Baltimore altimeter is 29064.
0443, Seminole 302 Victor Mike.
302 Victor Mike, radar contact 5 east of Carroll County at 8,200. Are you looking for an approach into Carroll County or just going in VFR?
We're looking for the approach just to clear the, actually we can go down below the clouds and direct to Carroll County.
302 Victor Mike, copy, altitude is your discretion.
Altitude our discretion for Victor Mike, I'm sorry.
302 Victor Mike, affirmative. Are you declaring emergency at this time?
Yes, 302 Victor Mike, we're declaring emergency.
302 Victor Mike, and when you have a chance, could you just give me the number of souls on board, the fuel, and minutes?
So we have about 3 hours of fuel. We have 2 souls on board.
302 Victor Mike, are you IFR capable and equipped?
Yes, sir, we are, Victor Mike.
Number 302 Victor Mike, and just advise if you want to pick up an IFR, I can help you out with an approach into Carroll County.
Yes, we'll appreciate that, and I would like to see the appropriate approach for the runway use for Victor Mike.
302 Victor Mike, copy, and just to confirm, you do want a IFR clearance into Carroll County?
Yes, sir, Victor Mike.
Number 302 Victor Mike, you're cleared to Carroll County via radar vectors. Fly heading of 200, descend and maintain 5,000.
Okay, 200 on the heading, and we'll maintain 5,000 for 302 Victor Mike.
302 Victor Mike, and just to give you an option, we do have York Airport that's currently at your 11 o'clock for 15 miles. Carroll County is currently at your 3 o'clock for 15 miles, just to let you know.
Okay, thank you, appreciate that. For now, we'll appreciate Carroll for Victor Mike.
302 Victor Mike, and descend at pilot's discretion, descend and maintain 3,000. 3,000
for 302
302 Victor Mike, fly heading 230, when able, clear direct south. That's the initial approach fix.
230 and direct south, when able, 230.
Number 302 Victor Mike, just to give you a heads up, we did call Carroll County, and the FBO does know about you coming in. They're going to get some emergency services out there for you.
Okay, thank you very much, 302 Victor Mike.
Number 2 Victor Mike, fly heading 240, vectors for the final approach course. And just to let you know, I do have the current weather at Carroll County if you need me to read that to you.
240, and actually we pick up the weather. We forgot to tell you for 302 Victor Mike.
2 Victor Mike, no problem. Number 302 Victor Mike, and turn 10 degrees right. And just so you know, Carroll County is at your 3 o'clock, 11 miles if you do get the field in sight.
10 degrees to the right, and we're looking for the airfield for 302 Victor Mike.
302 Victor Mike, do you have Carroll County in sight at your 2 o'clock, 10 miles?
Yeah, I think we do have it inside. Yeah, 302 Victor Mike.
Number 302 Victor Mike, do you want to take the visual approach into Carroll County if you have the field in sight?
Yeah, we're going to be on the visual for 302 Victor Mike. So.
Number 302 Victor Mike, cleared visual approach, Carroll County.
For the visual approach, 302 Victor Mike. An approach from 302 Victor Mike. Can we change for advisory?
Number 302 Victor Mike, that's affirmed. We can change the advisories 122.7.
227, thank you for the help, 302 Victor Mike.
320 at 302 Victor Mike, no problem.
Delta traffic, Seminole 302 Victor Mike, final 134, Delta traffic, Seminole 302 Victor Mike, 3134. And guiding from Seminole 302 Victor Mike. And chance that you can, you can come and help us catch the airplane? I can't get much further here.
No problem. If we can just come tell you if you want to shut down there.
Okay, thank you very much.